Another day, another chance, another way, another chance to read. Discussing to you all everything that I've been doing and everything I need to do in regards to like uh, my app. So what I have here is my portfolio. As you can see, it's got all everything that needs to be seen. But before I should go on, I need to introduce to you my partner. His name's Aiden. So
Hi
Aiden,
guys.
hello Aiden. Thank you for helping me. I really
Pleasure, man.
appreciate it. Thanks. I really
Cool.
appreciate it. I'm sharing my screen now.
I can see.
Okay.
I like
Okay.
how it's looking.
Oh, okay. Yes, thanks. Look, yeah, like an arcade. So this is my portfolio. So yeah, my work about in contacts. This is pretty much my portfolio page. Yeah, it looks like an arcade game. And then that's actually my photo as a monitor. That was like way back, 7 years back.
That's
And
all.
yeah, and then pretty much this is my window. So my bookstore app, then T3 feed app. I'm going over my bookstore app. So it's my full stack Next.js projects, so on and so forth. And then pretty much me, right? My photo. Then there's me here. So yeah. So my description: I'm a full stack web developer based in Market, South Africa. Documents my journey from building JavaScript fundamentals, shipping production grade to full stack apps from Python, React, Node.js, Next.js. Also run Code College ZD on YouTube, an educational channel introducing beginners to software development through practical project-based tutorials. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. And let's get to my app. So as you can see here in my app, my home page. So my app actually contains my books. As you can see here, my dummy books, and then my pages for home, GitHub users, about page, and contact page. Then here's my references. This is pretty much like for my references for like everything, right? This, Next.js docs, learn Next.js, deploy universal blog creation and blog post. So that's pretty much what I'm dealing with here. So yeah, then
That's awesome.
I can toggle this up to create light mode and dark mode. So as you can see here, my scroll bar is white now, and then my scroll bar is dark now. So that's pretty much
So changing the actual Google light to dark mode. That's
yeah.
pretty cool.
Thanks. I really appreciate that, man. Yeah. So that's pretty much what I'm dealing with here. And then yeah,
Yeah.
and then let's say for example I want to add another book. Let me go to Amazon.com.
Mhm.
As for now, whilst I'm waiting for that, I'll go over what I need to go over. So my site. So I got my profile here, my profile page. It's loading.
Okay.
So this is pretty much my profile page. So this manages my account details. So obviously, yeah,
Is this the admin account?
that's my admin account. It's my admin account,
Okay.
yeah. And then my dashboard, so it's total books active, then status active, so on and so forth. That's what it shows you.
I can see. Yeah.
Yeah, so active three, status active. So as you can see, these are the books. As soon as I click on them, you immediately go to like my Amazon page.
So you've also set up like a little, um, like what do you call it? Marketing thing, the recommendation marketing.
That's what I pretty much did. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I
Okay,
did. Yeah. And then,
that's pretty cool.
thanks. I really appreciate that. Then you go to my about page. This is about my Gabelo bookstore. There's a designed to make book storage and management seamless. Organize your books, track your read. So this is pretty much a description about what I actually do in my app. Organize your books, track your readings, and discover new favorites. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Reading and discovering your favorites all in one place. Why Gabriel Bookstore? So easy organization. Keep your books neat, organized. Categories, tags, and custom shelves. Track your reading. Monitor your reading progress. Set goals and never lose track of your favorite titles. Then discover new books. To explore suggestions in trending books and curate collections to expand your library. So ready to start your library slim, simple, sleek, and powerful. Take control of your book collection today. So that's pretty much what my app is all about. And then GitHub uses Greg, for example, right? So it's GitHub
Sorry.
uses
Yeah.
yeah, it's fine, but that's pretty much so we can go to his profile.
Hmm.
Yeah, so as you can see here, it's loading to like github.com, to his actual repository. I mean, no, not his repository, to his profile. It's loading. So as you
Sorry.
can see,
You still there?
yeah, I'm still there. I'm still there. So as you can see, we've gone to the repository of this man. You know, of this guy right here. So yeah, so his achievements. His email. Okay, that's illegal. So this is pretty much his repos. His repo page. And then his this is pretty much his repo page, and then his repository page. You can go here to his repo page.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's what we're dealing with here.
Okay.
Yeah, so as you can see here, yeah, these are all his pages, so on and so forth. Go to his repos.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so now.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then
Okay, that's really cool, actually.
you don't
Yeah.
have to go to GitHub. You can actually view his repos from here. These are all his
Mm.
repositories that he has here. So it's pretty much what we're dealing with.
Yeah.
And then his
Okay.
contact page. So contact Ukabelo Bookstore. So have a question, feedback, or need support, reach out via phone, email, or send us a message below. So this is the generic phone number. This
Mm.
my one, generic my one, generic, then my one. Then if you want me, send me a message on my, I think via my email, you can do that. Send message, name, message, and then yeah, can send it.
And okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
and then yeah, my services. So if you want to book services, choose my services, book recommendation, personalized picks, based on your reading taste, give wrapping, beautifully wrapped books, perfect for gifting, and order online and get fast delivery. And then here's my blog page. It's introducing our bookstore, top five fiction books. Check out these amazing books. Reading tips. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here.
Yeah, I like what you've done. It's really cool.
I really appreciate that. And then
Yeah.
blog creation here. So oh what oh well, okay, I see what happened. I used my local host instead. My local host, like my
You've linked
the local
the
to
test environment
yeah.
instead of the actual server. Yeah, no, that's fine.
But let me but because I actually got it, I deployed it. Let me do this.
Yeah.
Blog create. Then as you can see here, if you want to create a new post, title, post, and content, write your post, then you publish it. Yeah,
Okay.
there's blog. My blog is based on my discoveries as a software engineer or Java engineer, computer science, computer science.
That's pretty cool.
Thanks. And then blog ID. All right, no problem. It's fine. And then yeah, so
I think ID is a placeholder, is it not?
no, it's actually like ID's the actual page. There's what happens is I load up a new blog, and then I'm
Mm-hmm.
able to see the blog. So yeah, that's what it actually is. That's what it is, man.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is. So then you got your image URL. Come on.
The title and then the actual link.
Yeah.
Okay. So you've set up like cards and stuff. Okay, that's pretty cool.
So I did. Let me just unshare a little bit because some reason it's not responding. But I'll reshare. Wait, hold on. Let me see if anything's loading. Okay, yeah, it's loaded up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's still loading. Come on. And copy image address. Copy image address. Okay. And as you can see, my image got loaded up actually. As you can see. And then my Amazon link. And as you can see, I created a book. Ian, are you still there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
I've been asking for like 2 minutes.
Oh, sorry about that, man. Sorry. I
No, because I heard the disconnect noise, so I
yeah,
wasn't sure if it was you or me.
yeah,
Because I could still see the screen.
yeah. I know. Sorry about that. Yeah. So as you can see here, I successfully added my book "Reminders of Him" by Colleen Hoover. Yeah, I successfully added it. Go to my dashboard for books.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you click on it. I can easily go to my Amazon link. As you can see, it's going there.
Mhm.
As you can see, it's going. It's just loading now. Just loading, loading. There's 139 now. Discount 44%. Reminders of him, Colleen Hoover. You know. And then yeah, as you can see here, there it is. Go back to home. Then if I want to delete a book, I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is awesome.
And then
Yeah.
if yeah.
What's anything else we needed to cover with it?
Oh, big pardon?
Was there anything else we needed to cover with it? I'm just asking.
Not at all. No, no.
Yeah.
We don't need to cover anything
Okay.
else, right? As you can see, I was able to successfully delete it. So yeah, that's pretty much
Yeah.
it. Thank you very much, Ian. Take care. Yes, you and yeah.
Yeah, thanks, man. This is a really cool project. I like the coloring that you've gone with.
Yeah.
It's very uniform, which is a lot better than I can say my stuff is.
Yeah, I know. What I had to do is
Yeah.
just improve the CSS and the Daisy UI, and then yeah, I was able to come up with what
Yeah.
I have. That's yeah. I mean, that's pretty much what I did. Yeah, got a bit of
Yeah.
Claude to help me as well. As you can see,
Well, it does
Claude.
help. Yeah.
Yeah,
But yeah, I like all of it actually. It's just that one URL you should probably fix at some point. But yeah, thanks, dude.
which
And good luck
URL?
with the rest of it.
Thank you. Which one?
Remember you clicked on it and took you to the local server and not the Vercel?
Oh yeah, I remember that. I know, I remember
Yeah.
that. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I
So
remember that. Yeah,
I think that's the only thing.
yeah. I
But
know.
yeah.
I'll
Anyway,
fix it.
cool.
Right,
That's
right,
awesome.
right. Thank you, Ian. Thanks,
Anyway,
thanks. And then yeah,
cheers, man.
yeah. Cheers. And then
Yeah.
if you actually like the SQL, somewhere I'm sure somewhere along the week we'll be able to do it. Somewhere along the week.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I don't think it's pertinent because the actual project's done. So
yeah,
I don't think stress too much about it. Just,
yeah.
yeah.
No problem, man. No problem. It's fine. Thanks.
Anyway,
Thanks, man.
cheers, dude.
Cheers,
Have a
Ian.
lovely week. I
You
hope you had
too.
a good Easter weekend as well.
You too, Aiden. Hope you had that great Easter weekend, man. Thank you.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Bye.
I'll see you, man. Bless. Thanks. God bless. Lord bless. Okay. it just seems odd. I'm joking. Thanks, everyone. Take care. God bless. Thanks.